Okay, this is part 2 of the puppies still available except for one. So that is Woodstock female, black and white. That is Dodger. He's staying here. He is not going anywhere. He'll be a future daddy. So the one there with the back to us, I lost her. That is Marcy. She has a dark pink collar on, if you can see it. This is Sally. She's brown and white. She's the only brown and white that was in the litter. And the boy is Pigpen. And I think, Woodstock, come back. Pigpen. Hold on. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Good boy, Dodger, come on. Oh, you fooled me. Come on, let's go. Hold on, we're losing it.